even though I went to see the sheep for 2 years. But you're a good person. Extra meal, sneakily take. We take off? I dare not eat it. Spinach, would you yield to the egg? Egg, you're such a wimp. Hard is indeed hard. Today's scene is like a competition. I didn't go home. Let's have a get-together for breakfast. And then older brother is also going out. He's leaving in a couple of days. Let them see something happy. Exam method. Huh? Exam method, exam fine. Heart cycles. I don't consider him a person. That sounds so nice. What kind of tool are you? If you want to eat it, just eat it. Finding so many reasons. Others can't eat MSG either. When the salt, MSG, what does he put? When he was just using the knife. I haven't done any business, right? I was silent the whole time. I didn't dare to eat yours when using the knife. Boss, don't be so enthusiastic. My sister is coming back tomorrow. She can't wait to see you on her first stop. Her mouth is still floating on the surface. That means she can still breathe. Can't be drowned. Give him a call. Isn't it good to come home? Later. Perfect. So fake, so fake. This is free, right? It's free. Shall we add a third one? I want to add some. Really? Is that true? It's not that people are free and blaming you. Okay, 3 packets of fatty meat, 1 gene. Plus chicken bouillon, MSG, and rock sugar. Dark soy sauce and the spice packet. This won't sink. Put a stone in it. Ginger, green, and red peppercorns. If it costs money, don't spend so much. Today the boss is a bit too white and spicy. Ouch! I went a bit overboard. These kids are pulling yayoji. That place I was at before has already gone bankrupt once. Add some chili oil. I remember you know a lot me try the soup again. What did you put in? Did you just put it in? My brother treated me to a big meal today. No, we have a boss today. Give me a hug. This feeling is just coming up. Okay, I'm gonna sleep. Wait a minute, you guys deal with it. You don't need to do anything now. You've already done the dirtiest and most tiring work. This little body also has heating, right? Yes, not heated, neck support is precious. Hot compress, warm care in place. Massage to relieve fatigue. 168 in hand and also give away 2 pairs of eye masks. This is today's main sponsor, Meowji. The brand sent me a U-shaped neck pillow. See how fast I've been updating lately? Reminding me to protect my cervical spine while editing videos like crazy. Higher than ordinary pillows. It also has a partition design. Firmly supports the chin, cradling the hip, keeping the cervical spine in a comfortable zone. Have a nap peacefully in the car or on the road. Dual layer, high quality memory foam. Soft outside, hard inside. Great support. Sleepy during the afternoon nap. It doesn't press on the face when wearing it. And it doesn't fall over. There are also limited edition greeting cards for Women's Day recently, which are very thoughtful. I didn't even use the scarf to watch movies and apply a hot compress this winter. It's warm and windproof when you take it out. There are 4 massage points inside. Tingling and numb. Target the acupoints. The intensity is just right. It's especially suitable for refreshing yourself when feeling sleepy at work or while studying. Head-hanging beam-style point massage. Makes me more energetic when editing videos. You can also easily take it with you when traveling or taking a car on business trips. It doesn't need to be charged for over half a month. Now, looking up, there's the computer. Looking down, there's the phone. Always unconsciously looking down. I'm almost a Foshan expert. You can use an external force like me to straighten your neck. Reduce cervical spine pressure. Same as always. There's a coupon in the comment section. 168. And it comes with 2 eye masks. Price guarantee sale. And shipping insurance. 3-year warranty. It's suitable for personal use or as a gift. This stuff is a good medicine for colds. Oh, ghost peppers. I love ghost peppers. Don't force yourself, okay? This is really spicy, huh? I'm about to sweat. That's enough already, huh? Forget. Don't force it, don't force it, don't force it, don't force it, don't force it. Can you cap it off? It's a bit difficult. This mud isn't very good. The mud is too fragile. Just brush it like this. Just brush it. Tired. Can't get tired anymore. Can't get thunder anymore. It's easy to crack after finally getting to this stage. Can't withstand pressure. Can't withstand bending either. I poured it here countless times to make it right. Money. Every time I stack it, I have to redo it 2 or 3 times. Where's the chicken? Oh, so this is beggar's chicken. Beggar's chicken. Then you can just put these things underneath and burn a fire on top. My sister cleaned up my place as soon as she arrived. Haha, sis. Don't go out. Okay. Wow. It's all deboned. Just right. They love to eat it. Wow. This looks so appetizing. Looks very comfortable. Perfectly done. No need for dipping sauce. This doesn't need dipping sauce. Okay. This doesn't need dipping sauce. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah. This is a dish. Already full. Already full before we even started. Good job, young man. Hey. Come on, what else are you bringing? You can't eat this in Shenzhen. Only when I come home do I get this feeling. Eat the meat. Later, we will drink from big bowls. The cameraman is eating our ox head. Uncle didn't get any booze, did he? Come on, come here. How come there are so many people? I'm shy. Believe it. Try hard to help people. Are we going to get rid of it? We drank, all right. Wow. Come on. realize you'll be beaten. The overall feeling is that I'm over the moon. I feel